1974 or 75, I can't remember. TNT 340. I'm gonna do a cold start on her. She hasn't ran here in about a month, and now it's like minus, well, it was almost minus 40 last night, and it's minus 30 now. And this thing's in the shade, so it hasn't been warming up at all. Okay, well, this is a little bit of a Mickey Mouse deal here. We got the, I wanted to get a squirt bottle, or spray bottle. We're gonna have to give her the mustard. Look at that, folks. Okay, so that's got 40-to-1 mix in it. And then I've got the line that goes onto the bottom of the carburetor. It's going into the tank. And so it should draw it up. We'll give her a squirt in there, and then we'll shut the choke, and we'll see if she fires up. Oh, throttle's sticking. It's okay, there's no belt on it, so it won't, no clutch on it even. So she won't be taking off, but we don't want to rev to the moon and blow it up either. Okay, let's see how this is going to go. Okay, let's see how this is going to go. She hasn't been ran for at least a month, and it's real cold, so I don't know if she'll fire up or not. We'll soon find out. Give her a little shot of mustard here. Okay. Hopefully that's not too much. It's pretty cold, so it's going to need lots. When they're cold, they like lots of juice. Oh. I got the kill switch. There. There's no key, so you need that off or it doesn't have spark. Maybe it would have fired first pull. We'll see. Look at that, she fired. Okay, now it's flooded though, I can tell. So this has to come off. When they give you an offering like that, it's just like a chainsaw. Choke has to go off. Pretty much wide open throttle here. Now she wants a little more juice. The camera's still going? Yeah. Not froze up yet. Okay, a little less this time. Okay. Let's see if she goes this time. A little half choke here. Oh, I couldn't get the gas in there fast enough. Well, she runs good. This thing sat for years. It's amazing how good it runs. Starting to suck up the fuel, I see. Yeah, amazing, this thing. She runs good. Would have started the first pull if I would have had the ignition on.